Hey, how you doing, everybody? My name is Julio Franco, and first of all, I would like to say thank you for taking the time out of your busy day to check out this review video tutorial. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and jump on this. You can see this is my Facebook page, just to let you know that I'm a real person. Okay, for future reference, if you have any questions, concerns, you can always reach out to me right here at facebook.com. I'm Julio. Just leave me a message, leave me of anything. Okay, um, for beginners, if you're starting out, if you're wondering how can you make money online, okay, just like I was at one point. I didn't know. I was searching online how to make money online. Okay, I was on the 9 to 5, but I always said to myself, there's got to be something better than that. Okay, and everybody goes into the internet to learn how to make money online from home. Okay, that's what you're going to be learning in this video. So if you want to go ahead and check out this right here where it says juliusmarketingsuccess.com, I highly recommend that. Okay, now if you're an advanced marketer but you're still struggling to make money online, check this video out. Okay, go ahead and pay attention. Make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. Okay, I got some special bonus I want to go ahead and give you after you finish this video. And if you are interested in what you're going to see today, like I said, reach out to me and we'll go ahead and get you set up with those bonuses. But on today's video, we're going to be doing a product review. Okay, first let's go to the bonus. All right, this is what you're going to get. All right, the name of this product is called 7-Figure Launches. Okay, as you can see, there's a timer in here. If you decide to get this product through me, okay, do it within the 4 days, and that way you can have access to all these bonuses that I'm about to show you. Okay, so what is 7-Figure Launches System all about? Okay, you can kind of go through here and read. Okay, I will explain a little bit, and then we're gonna get into the back office or the dashboard so you can see what it's all about. Okay, all right, I'm gonna read a little bit. You see, the 7-Figure Launch System is our never before released partnership program that allows anyone, okay, keep in mind, anywhere, regardless of background, skill, experience, to partner with 7-figure business owners and get their very own 7-figure business without doing any of the work. Okay, and like I said, you can kind of read through it. If this is something for you that really catches your attention, like if you're struggling, if you don't know, if you wonder how can you make money online without putting, with doing all that techie stuff, this is it. This is for you. Okay, now keep in mind, I'm gonna do a little income disclosure. This is not a get rich quick. Okay, this is not a scheme where you're gonna make thousands and thousands of dollars. But you make a nice passive income, if you put the work, the effort, okay, and if you dedicate time to it. Keep in mind, just like you do, put your 8 hours every day on your job, it's pretty much the same thing. But instead, you're not putting 8 hours, you're putting 30 minutes a day, every day. You gotta stay consistent, and you'll see the results. Okay. Now, once you decided to purchase through me, you're gonna get 7 bonus. Okay, this is what it is. You're gonna get an attraction into affiliate marketing, value of $97, which is bonus number 1. All you have to do is just click here to secure your copy of the 7-figure launch system. All right, bonus number 2, you're gonna get the lost code. Okay, value of $14.97. Bonus number 3, okay, is gonna be the 0 hour work days. Okay, bonus number 4, the Fuego multiplier. Okay, bonus number 5, the profit factory. Bonus number 6, you're gonna get from 0 to 124 hours. Okay, and bonus number 7, you're gonna get the clones. All right, now keep in mind, this bonus will not be available after those 4 days. So if you decide to purchase the product through here, you're gonna get all these 7 bonus. Okay, so I highly recommend, on top of that, the vendor, of course, is gonna give you a lot of bonus, but on top of that, you're gonna get all these 7 bonus that are made for me, okay, especially to you. So that being said, let's go check out the sales page real quick. Okay. All right, here we are, the 7-figure launch system. Okay. Ultra wealthy British tech entrepreneur launches $1 billion giving pledge. Okay. And he plans to help 1,000 average Joes to build $1 million business. So this is for people, like I said, that are struggling to make that passive income online, or people that are struggling to make money online. And although I know there's a lot of people out there, you know, I used to be one of them, so I highly recommend to go ahead and jump onto this product, because he's going to teach you A through Z. Okay, he's going to teach you the way that he did it. And let's read a little more. Okay, this is what you're going to get. 7-figure launch system today. Launch profit calculator, free. Fast profit Rolodex today, free as well. Fast selling framework, it's free. 5-day fast start guide, also free. Guarantee success and accountability system, it's free. Okay, the 7-figure launch system, private community access, free as well. The 7-figure launch codes, free. So all you have to do is just pick up your copy. Okay, you have to pick up your copy. Like I said, it's only $9.95. Okay, you can pick it up through my page, my bonus page, and on top of that, you know, it's only $10, and you're gonna have the same exact blueprint that he has used to create that passive income. Okay, we're gonna go through a little bit in you know, kind of see, but this is what I'm talking about. Michael Cheney. Okay, so he's the creator of this product. This is one of many products, okay, that he has created, and he was just like everybody else. Okay, he had a 9 to 5, and he was searching online how to make money online. Okay, he was searching on the internet how to make money online. Why? Because he was tired of that 9 to 5. He knew that he didn't want to retire working for somebody else, making somebody else's pocket. So he searched on the internet, how can I make money online? And I'm pretty sure many of you are doing the same thing, just like I was at one point. So today is your blessed day. I don't say lucky day because I don't believe in luck. I believe in blessed. So my friend, let me see. Let's check out that the back office, okay? All right, here we are in the back office. As you can see, system, use the money map. Okay, they're kind of video tutorials. You kind of follow them to the T, you know, and then he kind of explains everything, how you can do it, how he did it. He tells you what to do. Okay, so all you have to do is just kind of watch the videos and implement what he's teaching you. Okay, so I really highly recommend, you know, follow the steps. Don't jump from 1 to 5 or 1 to 6. Follow them in order, okay? Follow them in order. Then step number 2, extract maximum money. And like I said, they're just kind of videos, you know, you kind of watch them. Okay, I'm not going to go through every single one of these videos because we're going to be here forever. Number 3, accelerator to product profit. And number 4, copy our tech stack. Number 5, unlock the get rich secret. Okay. Number 6, turn words into money. Number 7, activate free traffic. Number 8, blast off to profits. Okay. And then, like I said, they're all videos. Okay. You know, kind of click on wherever you want here on the left side, but I highly recommend doing them in order and then watch it. Okay. Now, I highly recommend once you jump in here, check out this right here. I want you to check out his story, okay? He's going to explain how he left that 9 to 5 job, okay? Because the first thing you got to do is you got to change your mindset. You got to change the mindset, okay? Once you become a online, you know, you got to change that 9 to 5 mindset into putting 30 minutes into it, because you're working towards your your business, towards your goals, your dreams. You're not working for nobody else. You're going to be working for you. So you got to stay consistent. You got to put the time. You got to put that effort. So I highly, highly recommend right here. Check out that true story. Little guy escaped the 9-to-5 hell. I highly recommend it. And you're going to see.
Hi, Michael Trainee here. Now, the first thing you need to do as a member of the 7-Figure Launch System is make sure you attend.
Okay. Sorry, right here.
I was in a job I completely hated. I was $50,000 in debt. And I turned to the...
Okay, keep in mind he was in $50,000 in debt. Okay, I know there's a lot of you out there that are in debt and trying to get higher. There's got to be a way, guys. This is the way. Okay, if you really want to work from home, I highly recommend jump on this product. You know, follow it to the T. You know, you got the bonus, like I read them in the sales page. You can kind of go through them. They're all videos, okay? So, I mean, just kind of over the shoulder, you can kind of watch and implement, okay? Then you got a 400K a month, okay? And then you can watch it, and then you got the rest of the stuff right here that if you do buy the upsells, okay, you kind of get this. Like this one is, it's not locked, or I have to unlock it. It's locked. And then 10 times profit launchers, and then the traffic automators. Okay, so if you want a copy of this, okay, I'm gonna leave a link to my bonus page down below this video. Okay, so go ahead and grab you a copy, and keep in mind that you're gonna get all of these 7 bonuses. Okay, all of these 7 bonuses that I mentioned: bonus number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And on top of that, you will get all of these bonuses. Okay, so for something that it's less expensive than a meal these days, okay, you can go to McDonald's and you're gonna spend more than $10 for a meal. Okay, you're getting this at a very affordable price. So I would really, really recommend to get it. You know, jump on it. It launches in 1 day, and you probably be watching this video and it's probably had been launched already. So guys, I really appreciate it. I'm not going to take too much time out of your busy schedule, out of your busy day. I really appreciate you so much for watching this video. Do me a favor. If you're looking for the online success, if you want to change in your life, are you tired of working a 9-to-5? You always said there's got to be something else. There's got to be something better out there. Give this a try. You're not going to lose nothing except $10. I mean, come on. That's not going to make you or break you, okay? But it will gain access to a lot of new stuff that you're going to learn, and then you can implement, and then you're going to start seeing results. Guys, I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you in the inside.